Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks, and a great week. Ask for what you want. Find the courage to ask for what you want. Others have the right to tell you yes or no, but you always have the right to ask. Likewise, everyone has the right to ask you for what they want, and you have the right to say yes or no. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up 142, NASDAQ up 29, S&P's up 13, gold contract down $9, trading at $1,226 an ounce. Silver down 11 cents, $17.81 an ounce. Platinum down 12 bucks at $9.99 an ounce. Copper up 2 pennies at $2.78 a pound. Light sweet crude down 97 cents, trading at $52.89 a barrel. Now, the oil market, folks, just can't handle the higher range. There's a couple different ranges it's in. It keeps dipping into the lower range, and that is with Saudi Arabia saying that they actually cut back even more in the past month. Bottom line, oil wants lower price. Notes, 10-year note down 5 ticks, 124.19. 30-year bond down 13 ticks, 151.16. Both notes and bonds went higher last week, had volume. Today, even with the indices hitting all-time highs, even with actually Apple, folks, has a $700 billion market cap right now, all-time market cap. Bottom line, bonds will not back off. Bonds want higher price, and that equals lower yield. King dollar up 189 ticks, trading at 100.980. Euro is trading at 105.97, and the yen is at 113.69. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. We'll know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You're up $1.17 when you look at the SPY. You've done 49 million shares. Bottom line, you're at higher price. You have light volume, but you can still go higher. Qs, NDX 100. What do you have with the Qs? Same type of setup in the Qs. Qs did 18 million shares out here. That's what we've been doing at those highs anyway. What has happened, and I'll go over this on the weekly basis, the weeklies from last week to the prior weeks, it died on the vine dramatically. But bottom line, we went to higher price out here today. Now, small caps failed on price and volume. Small caps, bottom line, are weak. Small caps tested their high today of December 9th. That high was $138.82. We made it to $139. You did volume of 22 million versus 34 million. So bottom line, small caps, bottom line, couldn't bust them up. Now the small caps are going to try to get down into the price point of 133.17, which is the bottom of this consolidation that it's trading in. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold also is set up to go to higher price. It's a confirmed ABC structure on the way up. What you had out here today, you got down to a price point of $12.20 an ounce. You did 170,000 contracts, which was going into 200 and let's get this in front of me. Okay, 232,000 contracts, and rejected lower price, has lighter volume, all of the above. This gold contract wants to get up into, I suspect, the $1,315 level. Silver is the exact same type of setup. What you have with the silver market, silver got a nice pickup last Friday, and that pickup, I suspect, had a lot to do with also is that the largest copper mine in the world, folks, is closed. They're on strike right there, and what does happen is that the silver is a byproduct of copper, and so I suspect that push there had to do with there's going to be less silver getting out of the ground. Silver right now is trading at $17.81. That looks like it wants to get up into the $19.12 level. The XAU, the HUI, they both went sideways today, even when gold was down, $15, $12. The XAU is trading at 94.51. That is building cause to get up into this $101 area. The Gold Bugs Index is trading at 216. That little baby is building cause to get up into the 249 area. 225. The Gold Bugs Index hit the 222.98 last week, and that had volume as was going into it. So I expect what we're going to see with the Gold Bugs Index, that wants to get up into that 250 area. Notes and bonds. This is the remarkable part about this market right now. Well, there's a lot of remarkable parts, but as to consistency, that these continue to want higher price, lower yield. We only did 773,000 contracts today in the 10-year. That was going into 1.8 million contracts. It rejected lower price. This wants higher price. And 127.07, I suspect that's where it wants to run to. 30-year, same type of setup. 30-year out here today did 153,000 contracts. That was going into 282,000. There's no sellers. That's the bottom line. Rejected lower price, lighter volume. This 30-year wants to get up to 155.13. And what we are going to have is that the market tomorrow, folks, it's going to be Janet Yellen that's going to be basically putting some volatility into the market, as will Congress. Okay, she's doing her semi-annual monetary report to Congress. It's a 2-day event. It starts at 10 o'clock in the morning. The beginning of that event, she'll just make a speech, and then she will be taking questions all day tomorrow and all day on Wednesday. So I expect that's going to put some juice into this market. King dollar. King dollar today was up 184 ticks. You're at 100.975. You did 23,000 contracts. Bottom line is that you're coming into 61,000 contracts, and King dollar is an ABC structure on the way down. It's a confirmed ABC structure on the way down. Now, what has happened here is that this is going to turn into a complex one, and what that specifically means is this: is that your C point on this is 101.015. We got to 101.110, and then it gave it up again. It gave it up in spades. Bottom line, that just makes it a complex one. You still have a price projection here of that ABC structure on the way down of 96.965. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. Stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back.